Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. We have already done one of the tutorials with a red lipper for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is around the corner. Yes! And for those who don't feel like wearing red on that day, this is the look for you. This is another makeup tutorial, and in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start by using MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Goldlite. This is one of my go-to products. Whenever I want a nice dewy look, I trust on MAC Strobe Cream. For my foundation, I'm going to use MAC Face and Body, and my shade right now is C3. I'm going to apply it with a damp beauty blender all over my face. For my concealer, I'm using MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. These concealers are so good. They cover so well and they are great for dry skin. For my highlight and contour, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick. For the highlight, I am using NC20, and for my contour, I will use NW50. I'm going to blend the contour upwards. For the highlight, I'm using a damp beauty blender, and I will apply it on all the high points of the face. I am also going to apply a cream blush, and for that I'm using MAC Young at Heart Lip and Cheek color. This is such a wonderful color, and it looks like a flush of as if you just had a lot of exercise and you're naturally glowing and blushing from inside. For the powder, I'm using MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Light Plus, and I'm going to set my face with this. On top of my cream contour, I am going to use MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Give Me Sun, and I'm going to contour or bronze my whole face using this. I am not going to use any blush, as in powder blush today. Instead, I'm just going to use this as my blush as well. For highlighting, I'm using the MAC highlighter Whisper of Gilt, an all-time favorite. for my eyes today, I'm using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I'm going to start with this color called Rhizome. This is a nice matte color and I'm going to work in my transition with this. The next color that I'm going to work is this one, which is called Pure. It's a deep chocolate color and I'm going to work in the crease line again with this. For the lid, I'm going to use this nice orange color, which is called Ripe. It's like a mustard orange or a deep orange color. And on top of this, I am going to use this metallic color called Blaze. I'm going to apply this shade called Blaze using my fingers because I feel that the color pays off really well and it shows off really well when you use it with a finger. I will finish off with my lashes, and the lashes that I have used today is Lashable lashes. I will finish off by using the MAC Extended Play Mascara. And for my lips, I'm using the MAC Lip Pencil in the shade Spice. And fill my lips with this color called Burnt Spice. This is a retro matte liquid lipstick from MAC only. So this is the final look and this is the other tutorial if you don't want to wear red on Valentine's Day. Not just Valentine's Day, any day that you don't feel like wearing a bold lip color but you want to enhance your eyes with a touch of gold, this is the look for you. I absolutely loved how gorgeous and pigmented this Natasha Denona palette is. The colors are so beautiful. I just fell in love with them. They are so damn pigmented. Plus the variety of gold that you have in this is just mind-blowing. I love it. In case you also love it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my video goes up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching. And yes, happy Valentine's Day.